If you're over 60, you already know this truth deep inside your bones. The body doesn't bounce back the way it used to. Some mornings you wake up stiff, your legs feel heavy, your back doesn't support you like before, and even simple movements like bending, sitting, or climbing stairs feel harder than they should. But let me tell you something important today. Your strength is not gone, it's only sleeping. And with just 3 simple exercises done daily, you can wake it up again, gently, safely, and powerfully, no matter your age. Most seniors think they have to go to the gym, lift heavy weights, or do long workouts to stay strong. But that's not true at all. In fact, studies show that short targeted movements build more strength and reduce more pain in seniors than long, exhausting routines. What your body needs now is not pressure. It needs activation. Slow, deep, focused activation of the muscles that keep you moving, balancing, standing tall, and living independently. And these 3 exercises do exactly that. Before we begin, take a deep breath. Feel your chest rise. Feel your shoulders relax. Your body is still capable of healing, rebuilding, and growing stronger. Age does not stop that. Weak muscles can reactivate, stiff joints can loosen, balance can return, pain can reduce. But only if you give your body the signals it has been waiting for. Exercise number 1 is something every senior must do to protect the knees and hips. Sit on the edge of a chair, place your feet flat on the ground, and slowly stand up. Then sit back down. That's it. Simple, but incredibly powerful. This movement switches on your biggest leg muscles, which often shut down with age. When these muscles stay weak, your knees take all the pressure, causing pain. But when they activate, they absorb the load, making walking, climbing stairs, and standing much easier. Do this movement 10 to 12 times, slowly, feeling each muscle waking up. With time, you'll notice your legs feel firmer, your steps feel more stable, and the fear of falling begins to disappear. The second exercise is for your back, spine, and balance, the 3 areas that protect your mobility. Stand near a wall or counter and gently lift 1 foot off the floor while keeping your eyes forward. Hold for a few seconds, then switch sides. If you feel shaky at first, that's okay. That shakiness is your brain reconnecting to your stabilizing muscles. These tiny muscles keep you from falling, but they weaken quickly after 60 if not trained. When you practice this daily, even for a few seconds, your posture improves, your core tightens, and your risk of slips and falls reduces dramatically. Seniors who practice this notice that they walk straighter, feel lighter, and regain confidence when moving outside. The third exercise gently strengthens the upper body, the shoulders, chest, and arms you need for lifting things, opening jars, pushing doors, and supporting your spine. Stand facing a wall, place your palms on it, and slowly push your body away, just like a gentle standing push-up. No strain, no pain, just controlled movement. This small motion builds strength in the areas where seniors lose muscle the fastest. When your upper body strengthens, your back pain reduces, your breathing improves, and everyday tasks become easier. You'll feel more capable, more independent, and more alive in your own body. These 3 exercises together activate your full body: legs, core, spine, balance muscles, shoulders, and arms, the exact areas that weaken most after 60. If you repeat them daily, even for just 5 minutes, your body will begin to change. Your steps will feel stronger, your joints will feel supported, your back will feel lighter, and movement, the thing that once felt painful, will start to feel natural again. Remember, consistency matters more than intensity. You don't need perfection. You don't need equipment. You don't even need a large space. All you need is your willingness to begin, and a few minutes each day. Your future strength is built by what you do today. So move gently, move with intention, and trust your body. It still knows how to heal. It still wants to protect you. And with these simple daily exercises, you're giving it exactly what it needs to stay strong, mobile, and pain-free at any age.